Hello and welcome to Freestyle Friday. Today's tip is called PDF, short for Push Down Float. As we saw on the second episode of Freestyle Friday, a lot of swimmers have a problem with the position of their torso. Our chest floats because of the position of our lungs, and our legs naturally sink. So it is common to see people swim like this. To fix it, you need a better horizontal balance. Try this. If we want to learn how to push our chest down and let our hips float, let's do this. Kick with a kickboard, but go down as if there was a bug floating and you wanted to go under it. This is a lot harder than just pushing your chest down, because with a kickboard, you will have double floatability on the upper part of your body. But that is the point of the exercise. If it is too hard, do it with a pull buoy. Or even with an empty bottle. Remember how it feels to press down and try it while you swim. It should put your body in a better position. Before you go, help us by clicking that like button. Here are more videos that could be of interest to you. Thanks for watching. Swim fast!